Hey friends, Gator Mom here. I hope you're having an awesome Friday. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Jujube to share with you. It's kind of more like a first look because I've already really unboxed everything, but I'm going to be showing you the upcoming releases for this month, and it is a super cute Hello Bakery print collaboration with Hello Kitty, and then a print that I have been dying to see more of, and that is this really awesome black and white sketch print. All right, I'm not sure which print I want to start with because I am equally excited for both of them. I love that the releases for this month are so incredibly different, but they're both fun in kind of their own ways. So I think I'm going to go ahead and start with Sketch because that's the one that I'm most excited about if I had to pick one. Sketch is a new line in the Onyx collection. So that means it's a black and white print and it has awesome black matte hardware, which I love. I love a good like black and white bag. I'm actually thinking about doing a black and white bags for fall coming up, kind of just like a little video sharing some of my favorites. If that's something that you guys want to see, let me know below, because lately I think I've gotten like 5 or 6 different black or black and white bags and they all scream fall and they're super fun. I think this is going to be really fun also for like around like Halloween time. You can really like spice it up with whatever like costume and outfit that you have. But anyways, I'm rambling. This here is the Be Light bag. I'm gonna try to go quickly through some of these because I do have a good bit here to share with you. So this is the Be Light. I think it's really, really pretty in this print. It's gonna go with everything. I love Be Lights for so many different reasons, and it's been kind of a while since I've used a Be Light. I tend to grab for Super Bees all the time. But I don't necessarily need all of that room like all the time. So I think this Be Light is going to be a fun one to carry this fall. I'm going to go ahead and show the lining of this print, I think now while I have the Be Light out, just because it will give a really good picture of what this lining is. So I think that my light in here is capturing the lining really well, but I would say it's more of like a green mint color. So it's not like a light mint, it's more of a green, if that makes sense. I love that they picked mint for this bag. I think that the contrast is super fun. So that's the inside. There's nothing really embossed on the lining. It's just a flat, it's like a flat mint color. So sometimes they have the Jujube logo or, you know, whatever on the inside. This is just a flat mint lining. And then of course on the inside you have one zipper pocket and the matte hardware for the zipper. So that's the Be Light. Moving into the brand new style backpack that they have, and this is the Midi backpack, and it is so cute. It's a really good cross between, I would say, like a mini bee and like a Be Packed or a Be Right Back. It's a really good size bag. I think it might be, I got this question asked over on Instagram, I think it might be a little bit too small for an elementary school backpack. Personally, I have 3 kids in elementary school, kindergarten, 3rd grade, and 5th grade, and I can't see my 5th grader or my 3rd grader taking this backpack, although it will hold on the inside a folder or a notebook. My daughter carries the Be Packed bag, and it's perfect for her being in 3rd grade. And my son in 5th grade carries the XY Collection Vector bag, and that's awesome for him because he has a ton of stuff. So I feel like maybe you could get away with it as far as kindergarten because they just don't require a lot, like going to and from school. But much older than that, I think it might be just a tad on the small size, in my personal opinion, of course. But on the inside of this bag, you have tons of pockets. You have 2 pockets here in the front, you have another pocket here, and then no pockets on the front flap of the bag. So I'll kind of show you on the inside here what it looks like. Again, I love that lining. You have one big pocket here in the front. There's no key leash, there's no interior pockets or anything like that. And then on the side, you have 2 bottle pockets. You have one on each side, which is awesome. And I believe, I haven't packed this up yet. They look to be a little bit small. They're more like a side pocket, but I do think you can fit smaller water bottles in here. I'm definitely going to be packing this one up for you, doing a full packing video coming. So let me know if you have any questions on this one. I'm excited to kind of pack it up and see how it will be once it's packed up. So that's the new style backpack. Moving on to the little, like some of the little bags as far as sketch goes, I have here the mini Be Right Back, which is so fun. And then I also have the mini BFF here. And these two obviously are just a mimic of the bigger Be Right Back and then of course the bigger BFF bag. I've done an in-depth review on kind of both of these styles. I can link it below for those of you that want to see kind of both of these in action as far as how much they would hold. I think that these are really fun in this black and white print because I think they'll go with a lot, and I think you can wear them crossbody or backpack or what have you, and it'll look really good. So that's the inside of the mini BFF, and then of course your strap here, and then you can wear it however you'd like on the back, either backpack style, crossbody, whatever. And then I'll show you quickly the inside here of the mini BRB. Super sweet. It opens all the way up, so you can fit a lot in this one. The other bag that I want to show you is the Be Zealous. Now this one you guys have been messaging me and commenting wanting to see a packing video because I've shared now that I have it in Harry Potter print, I have it in the other Hello Kitty, the Hello Rainbow print, and I just have not had a chance to share a packing video. I think I'm going to go ahead and share the packing video in this print because I love it so much. Like I really, really like it. And I know there was a lot of comments, kind of chatter about in some of the groups, not really loving this black side of the Be Zealous. I thought by seeing some of the pictures, I didn't look at a lot of them of course, but I thought that the black, like the solid black side here went the whole way around the back of the bag, and the only part that had the print was the front, but I was pleasantly surprised to see that the print is actually on the back of the bag as well. So the only part that you have that solid black color is like a ring around the outside here of the bag. And I think that it looks really good. The pictures, in my opinion, didn't really do it justice, but I really like the contrast of this black on the Be Zealous because I think when it's packed up and it's nice and fat, it's gonna look really cool. I personally really like that they did that kind of contrast here. And then I love, like, of course, the black zippers and the black hardware throughout this like black and white print. I just think this is a really cool and fun bag for sure. I'm not gonna go through all of the packets of the Be Zealous because I'm trying to kind of speed it up here, but I will show you just one shot of the inside. And then, like I said, I'm definitely gonna be doing a packing video on this one because I've been itching to share with you guys how I pack up the Be Zealous. But this is the inside here. I think that it is about the size-wise, probably of a Be Right Back. In my opinion, I feel like it might even hold a little bit more. I personally like the way that this Be Zealous packs up a little bit better than the Be Right Back. You guys know I'm like a huge Be Right Back fan. I carry them to like all the theme parks and places like that. But this one here is just really, really soft, and I really like all the pockets and the way it packs up. So another one that I'm excited to share with you guys on. The last bag in sketch that I want to show you, I'm not gonna take out of the package because I'm gonna be doing a giveaway with it, and that is the BFF bag. I saw this at the Pink Lady Get Together a few months back. It's like the one bag in this print that they had there to share, and it's perfection in the BFF. Like I love, love, love it. It looks so good. So I'm gonna be doing a giveaway on this one, so stay tuned. I think I'm gonna do it probably over on Instagram since that's where I chat with most of you at. So that is coming, stay tuned for that. All right, let's get into Hello Bakery because it is so darn sweet. I don't even have words for it. I did grab down Hello Rainbow because I got a couple of questions on how the two just kind of look side by side together, because I know a lot of you just bought that not that long ago in, I think it was last month or the month before it was released. I don't remember. But I want to start by sharing the brand new Be Cool bag because this was one that I was really, really excited to see. So this here is an insulated lunch or a bottle tote. I love the way it opens up here at the top. It's like one big U shape. It's really easy to get in and out of. And I like the way that it's just a little bit more, I would say like more structured than a fuel cell. You can kind of have like an exact spot for everything, whereas the fuel cell, I think you might be able to, well, I'm not sure. I haven't packed it up yet, but just by looking at it, I think you might be able to fit a little bit more in the fuel cell just because this one tends to be so structured, and I'm not sure how tall, you can really pack things in it because of this U shape that comes down. But with that being said, I love this little pocket here at the top, and I love the crossbody strap. It's really easy to adjust, and you can wear it obviously like crossbody or over your shoulder. I think it would make the perfect school lunch bag, like 100%. I think that it would be awesome for that. And then it would hold definitely just like a quick outing's worth of bottles or snacks or things like that. I think it would be awesome also for parks, theme parks, just because of the way that the strap is. And yeah, I really, really like this one. So let me know below if this is something that you want me to do, maybe like an Instagram kind of quick pack up for you, or if you want a full in-depth review on how it compares to the fuel cell, because I feel like maybe my description might not have done it justice. But yeah, this is the Be Cool, and I think that it is really a fun addition. I hope they continue to do bags in this one in the future because I really like it. Moving on to the mini backpacks in the Hello Bakery. They are so stinking sweet. I don't even have words for them. This is the mini Be Right Back, and it looks like this. I love the prints. I love the pink zippers, and then you guys, the lining. I about freaked when I saw this lining. I was not expecting it. I don't know if I thought it was gonna be like a pastel pink or a purple or like even like a blue, but holy cow, it is purple, like a lavender purple with a light pink polka dot. And it is so sweet. It's really, really pretty. I love that contrast. I just think it really kind of makes the print. I love it. So that's the lining. This here is the BFF, the mini BFF in this print. And of course it looks just as cute as the mini Be Right Back. It's just really, really darling. I love, of course, like I said, all of the zippers, and you have the handle here at the top, and then your different ways that you can carry it here on the back. This here is the brand new backpack that I just shared with you earlier, the midi backpack. I'm just gonna give you a quick glance at it. I got it, I decided to go backpack wise for this print in this particular style because I am gonna give this one to my daughter so she can use it whenever we travel or to grandma's. I mean, so many different times that you can use this backpack. And I think that it looks adorable in this print. It's really, really sweet. So this is what it looks like here. Really, really fun. Okay, the next one I'm gonna show you is the Super Bee. I was torn if I wanted to go ahead and get a Super Bee or a Bee Light in this particular print. Since I got the Bee Light in the sketch, I thought for sure I needed to have Super Bee in this one, and I'm so glad that I did because, like I said earlier, I'm kind of obsessing over the lining of this bag, but look how cute it is. Like, it's so fun, and I really think that we're gonna use it for a ton of different things. When you open it up, this is kind of what the lining looks like, and it's, oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's really, really cute. I love just all of the different contrasting colors. The zipper pulls on this one are, did I unwrap any? I don't think I unwrapped any of them. So it's gonna have the plastic on it because it takes a little bit to get these unwrapped. Oh, well, I got this one. Made a liar out of me. Okay, so this is the zipper pull for this bag. It's so cute. I hope the camera is adjusting so that you can really see it. It's the standard Hello Kitty logo, and then you have a pink bow, which is adorable. I love it. So that's the hardware for this bag. I'll give you one more look of this one so that you can really see the print. It's so awesome. I love it. Let me move this tag for you guys. Love it. Oh, so fun. So the last thing that I want to show you really quickly, just because I got a couple of different questions on it, is the Hello Rainbow print that just launched. I want to show it up close to the Hello Bakery, just so you can kind of see how the colors go together for those of you that might have a bag or accessories in one and want to get vice versa for the other. This is what it looks like. They're both so different and so fun, kind of in their different ways, I guess. But I love it. Just kind of depends on your style. If you're more like bright or if you love pastels, they're both super adorable, so you can't really go wrong. But that is everything that I have to share with you today. like I shared kind of throughout the video on some of the bags that I was thinking about doing videos on. If you have any questions or if you want to see more in depth on something that I touched on but maybe didn't share enough of, I can always post a stories over on Instagram and kind of go through it. If you want like a packing video on something that I didn't mention, like maybe that Super Bee, there's so much fun stuff. So let me know below. I always love kind of the requests because it helps me gauge what you guys are interested in seeing specifically from me. So that's everything I have for you today, and I will talk to you very soon as I will be having a packing video on one of these up fairly quick. Have a great day.